Never lose a precious memory again by learning how to easily transfer photos from your USB drive directly to your Samsung phone. Today, we'll show you 2 simple methods to get those photos onto your smartphone, so you can view, share, and cherish them anytime, anywhere. Method 1. Using an OTG adapter A circumflex Euros. This is the quickest and most direct way. First, make sure you have a USB OTG adapter. Connect the larger USB end of your flash drive into the adapter. Now, plug the other end of the OTG adapter into the charging port of your Samsung phone. You should see a notification pop up on your phone, indicating that a USB storage device has been connected. Tap on that notification. This will typically open your phone's file manager. Like My Files, look for an option that represents your USB drive A circumflex Euros. It might be labeled as USB storage, OTG, or similar. Tap on it to explore its contents. Navigate through the folders on your USB drive to find the photos you want to transfer. You can select individual photos or press and hold one, and then tap Select Multiple to choose several. Once your photos are selected, tap the Copy or Move option at the bottom of the screen. Now navigate to where you want to save them on your phone's internal storage. A common place is the DCIM folder, which is usually where your camera photos are saved, or you can create a new folder. Finally, tap the Paste button. Your photos will begin transferring from the USB drive to your Samsung phone. Method 2. Using a computer if you don't have an OTG adapter or prefer using your PC. This method works just as well. First, connect your USB drive to your computer. Open the USB drive on your computer and locate the photos you wish to transfer. Select them, then copy them. Next, connect your Samsung phone to your computer. Using a USB cable, your phone should appear as a removable drive on your computer. On your computer, open your Samsung phone's storage and navigate to the DCIM folder, or create a new folder for your photos. Paste the copied photos from your USB drive into the chosen folder on your phone's storage. Once the transfer is complete, safely eject both your USB drive and your phone from the computer. And there you have it. Your precious memories are now safely on your Samsung phone, ready to be enjoyed and shared.